Children, now you are going to do a worksheet that is from the chapter Mrs. Plug the Plumber. So teacher will give you one example and I will give you suggestions for completing it. Read the example. Complete the sentences with different endings. Suggestions. Tomorrow, this afternoon, later, on Thursday, after school. These are the suggestions. You can use these words for completing these sentences. So, what is the work? Read the example. Complete the sentences with the different endings. My wife and I were going to take the children, but we can take them next week. Who said this dialogue, children? Do you remember that? My wife and I were going to take the children, but we can take them next week. Who said this? The rich man said, my wife and I were going to take the children, but we can take them next week. They have planned, but they postponed their plan to next week. So here they made it into next week. They planned, but they have decided to go to the next week. Here like that, my brother and I were going to play football, but we can play dash. My brother and I were going to play football. I and my brother plan to go for playing football, but we can play. Now we are not going to play, but we can play. We can decide which time we can play, that we can decide. You can write tomorrow, either this afternoon, either later, or on Thursday, or after school. Any answer you can write for these sentences, for completing these sentences. Look at the next one. My mother and I were going to see a movie, but we can see it dash. My mother and I were going to see a movie. We plan to go for a movie, but we can see it. Maybe some reason they have postponed it. You can write any answer. Which answer you like, that you can write here. See next one. My father and I were going to mend my bike, but we can mend it dash. My father and I were going to mend my bike. Maybe something happened to the bike, so want to repair it. So what want to do? That we can do it later. That is, later means you can write tomorrow or this afternoon or later. Which answer, which suggestion you like, that you can write. My friend and I were going to visit my aunt, but we can visit her dash. Understand, children? My friend and I were going to visit my aunt. They are going to visit my aunt, but we can visit her. Which answer which suggestion you like, that you write it here without spelling mistake. My sister and I were going to buy new dresses, but we can buy them dash. So here also my sister and I were going to buy new dresses. I and my sister decided to go to buy new dresses, but now we are not going, but we have decided to go later. That want to complete with any answer. You write it in your English notebook neatly with this question. You want to write from this onwards. Complete the sentences with the different endings. This onwards you can write it in your notebook. And suggestions also, suggestion you don't want to write, then you write one, then write this sentence and end with any suggestion. Then next also like that you want to complete it in your notebook. Do the work without any spelling mistake and send to me. Okay, good luck children.